Ito na nga yung pinakamurang Nothing phone na pwede nyong mabili. So this is the Nothing Phone 3A Lite. And tara, buksan natin at pag-usapan natin kung anong meron dito. And as you can see, kahit ito yung pinakamurang Nothing phone, is same lang naman yung packaging niya and same lang yung box with the other Nothing phones. And just like the usual, as we open the box, meron tayong makikita dito na welcome to Nothing na letter. And actually sa loob nga nito is meron dyang kasamang libreng case. Next, makikita na rin natin agad yung unit. But of course, let's proceed with the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And of course, hindi mawawala dito yung classic, yung Nothing SIM ejector tool. And now, look at the Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Super classy, yet so simple but stylish. Makikita natin agad yung triple camera setup, yung glass na back, and meron tong 5,000 mAh na battery. Plus, pwede rin natin to salpakan ng micro SD up to 2 terabytes. Now, this is NFC and 5G compatible already. Plus, meron tayong 6.7-inch OLED display na 120Hz na. Now, meron tong dalawang variants which is 8 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB storage. So, the price starts at 15,490 pesos. And ang malupit pa dito, meron na rin tong fingerprint scanner. And dito nga sa triple camera setup is yung main camera nito is 50 megapixel and meron ding macro and ultra wide cameras. Now, kung gusto mo ng Nothing phone and limited lang yung budget mo, I think this is the perfect Nothing device to start with. So, available to sa Digital Walker. Tatag ko sila dyan sa baba and check out nyo sa page nila. But personally, I would choose the white color kasi napakaganda nun. So, follow along kasi I will be using this for a week and I will share my thoughts with you with this Nothing Phone 3A Lite.